Right now, the US dollar rules the world, powering trade, backing banks, and anchoring economies. But beneath this throne lies a ticking bomb, a national debt soaring past $40 trillion in 2025. If it bursts, the dollar's crown could fall. Who's waiting to claim it? China's yuan, Europe's euro, or a digital wildcard? Welcome to Bizilon, where we uncover the forces reshaping tech, geopolitics, and finance. Today, we dive into the battle for the next global currency. Buckle up, this is seismic. The dollar's reign. Why it rules. The US dollar isn't just money, it's power. Since the 1944 Bretton Woods Agreement, it's been the world's reserve currency, held by central banks for trade, debt, and stability. Why? The US boasts the largest economy, stable politics, deep financial markets, and unmatched global trust. Over 58% of global foreign exchange reserves are in dollars, per the International Monetary Fund, and 88% of international transactions use it, according to SWIFT. But cracks are forming. The US debt to GDP ratio hit 150% in 2025 per Congressional Budget Office, signaling a crisis if confidence wanes. The debt bomb, a ticking threat. America's debt is a colossus, $40 trillion and climbing. That's $120,000 per citizen per U.S. debt clock. Economists warn this fuels inflation, risks devaluation, and could erode trust in the dollar. If foreign investors holding $8 trillion in U.S. debt per Treasury Department pull back, a debt bomb could detonate, shaking global markets. Could this dethrone the dollar? Let's meet the contenders. Contender 1. Chinese yuan. The rising dragon China's yuan is the user's top pick, and for good reason. China's economy, second only to the US, is projected to lead by 2030 per World Bank. Beijing's pushing the yuan globally via the Belt and Road Initiative and trade deals, with 5% of global reserves now in yuan, up from 2% in 2020 per IMF. But hurdles loom. China's capital controls restrict yuan convertibility, its authoritarian system raises trust issues, and its financial markets lack the depth of Wall Street's, per Bloomberg. Could the dragon soar, or will it stumble? Contender 2. Euro, Europe's heavyweight. The euro holds 20% of global reserves per IMF, backed by the Eurozone's $14 trillion economy. Its deep markets and widespread use make it a strong rival. Yet, economic disparities, think Germany versus Greece, and political fragmentation hinder unity, per Reuters. High debt in countries like Italy, at 140% of GDP per Eurostat, adds risk. Can the euro unify to challenge the dollar? Contender 3. Cryptocurrencies. The digital dream. Could Bitcoin or Ethereum disrupt the game? Cryptos are decentralized, but their volatility, Bitcoin swung 30% in 2024 per CoinMarketCap, makes them unreliable reserves. Regulatory uncertainty and scalability issues, per Forbes, limit their use. No central bank holds crypto reserves in 2025 per Bank for International Settlements. A central bank digital currency, CBDC, might emerge, but it's years away. Contender 4. Gold and SDR, old and new alternatives. Gold, a traditional safe haven, holds 15% of global reserves per World Gold Council, but isn't a currency for trade. The IMF's special drawing rights, SDR, a basket of dollar, euro, yuan, yen, and pound, supports reserves but isn't usable by the public, per IMF. Neither can fully replace the dollar. The verdict, a new world order? So who wins if the debt bomb bursts? Research suggests no single currency is ready to dethrone the dollar soon. The yuan's rise is hampered by controls, the euro by disunity, and crypto by chaos. Experts like Ray Dalio predict a gradual shift to a multi-currency system, with the yuan and euro gaining share. A global CBDC or new reserve asset could emerge, but not before 2030, per McKinsey. The dollar's fall would spike inflation, disrupt trade, and reshape power, hitting your wallet hard. The dollar's crown is wobbling, but its fall isn't certain. Will China's yuan lead the charge, or will a new financial era dawn? At Bizilon, we're here to decode the future. Like, comment, and subscribe for more on tech, geopolitics, and finance. Tell us, which currency do you bet on? Stay curious. The world's shifting fast.